Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this video about crude oil. So let's get started. Now I'm gonna take you back, but not too far back, only in the month of December 2023. So on the 1st December, I made this chart. I've been following all this Elliott wave step by step, but here the wave 4 was finished, and I said, okay, for wave 5, we're gonna be going down here. Either is going to be wave 5, and then it will end up waves 3 or C, or different option. But the target was 70.42, okay, from here all the way down. So I had the chart when we were going to the upside, but forget about that. That was before December. So I just want to show what happened in December, right? So it's supposedly be coming down here for wave 5, finishing wave 3 or C. So what happened to this chart is this. We came down not only 70.42, but we went down below the next level, 67.83. And that's where I said, okay, this is coinciding with the Fibonacci expansion and extension and all of that. So this is maybe the end of it, and then we're going to be rising from. It decided to rise already, right? So I said we're going to be going back up here or all the way there if we break this area. So we started to go to the upside. So what happened to this chart? Then we went all the way up here. Okay. So we went there nice and clean. But then I said, okay, from 74.94, this usually happens. If it is going to be wave 4, let's say it's wave 1, 2, 3, then wave 4 usually come in this fashion, A, B, and C. So if this is A, then we supposedly be dropping for wave B to this level, 70.24 again. Okay. And that is the chart I made on the 21st December. So look what happened to this one so far as of today. Boom, we came down here exactly as I was pointing out to this level here, 70.24. Below this is 67.83, where we bounce as wave 3 first before, right? So now we are currently we are here. The current chart is this. You see this? So we poke into it, but we are trying to like hold on above it, right? So we are at that number right now. This is I forgot to type the number here. This is 70.24. This white line here currently, or maybe it is in the back here somewhere. Nope. So let me see. Hold on just a minute. What is the? Is it a weekly highs? No, it's a weekly low, 70.24, right? So it's a weekly low, 70.24. So I don't have it here. So I'm going to just type here. Weekly low, 70.24, right? So this is the level. If we can stay above it and then go back up for wave C, maybe into this area, right? So coming down here, as you can see, you will see that there is a trade open here, right? And this is my trade yesterday on January 2nd. Coming down here yesterday, I closed it a little while ago, and it was like this. You see this? So this is the system that if once you have my analysis, and then this system gives you a precise entry. This is my entry here with this indicator all the way up. And actually, I had my EA open here. So EA is the one that took this automatically this straight, and then all the way down to exactly 70.24 again. So now from here, I'm expecting bouncing and then going back up for wave C. If you look at it here, this is A, B, C. That would be wave 4, just like I showed here. A, B, C. Usually wave 4 goes outside the channel. So this is the black channel here. So it's probably going to go up here, 78% of this drop here, right? And then it will be slightly outside the black channel. And then it will go back down for wave 5, maybe. Messed up here. Okay, forget it. I don't know where did I go, but let me see this one. Okay, this is the one, right? November. Oh my God. Okay, it's a lot of charts. Okay, I messed up this one here, so I'm just simply gonna close it. Okay, got it. This was this, right? Okay. All right, so you got this idea that, from A, B, and then for C, we're going to be going back up there. And the chart I wanted to show with the diagram, actually, you will see probably here. Maybe not, maybe further right there. See, so this is how it is. This is the channel. For wave 4, we're going to be going up above to 78%. If we can hold above 70.24, right? So I'll be looking for along above this. If it drops more and then takes out this low, then I'll be just watching and then let it go down maybe to 62, 63. And then it will return, make a turn to the upside, right? So this is how it is, waiting for a bounce from this area back to 76 area. So let's see what happened. All right, just wanted to show you, and then like I said, that this was my yesterday trade according to my analysis. And if you like what you saw, this is how my analysis is. It's a lot of other things like Nasdaq. I said over the weekend I made the chart that it's going to drop, and it did. And I had a very nice Nasdaq. Let me see if I can quickly show you Nasdaq short based on my thing, my charts. You see that? This is the Nasdaq trade yesterday, and it is based on my Nasdaq chart that I made. Let me see if I can. Over the weekend, I made all new charts for almost everything. And let me just quickly show you what the Nasdaq did. And where's the chart? On December 31st, I made this chart that is going to drop, right? So it already did. It is here right now, and you saw the trade, right? So the analysis, and then in that direction, either you take the trade manually or take the trade with my automated EA. You just place that EA on that instrument on the proper chart, and it opens the trade when the setup is there. Even though if you are out somewhere or sleeping or whatever, the trade opens up. Then SL is placed there automatically, and then you are once you are positive, the SL move to break even automatically. All of that, right? So excuse me. So if you like what you saw, you can go on my website and sign up for. I have a discount. My son he just opened a discount again. It's not available on the website, but it is available only for my current subscribers and my previous subscribers. Okay, so and then I'm gonna send it on. I think he sent the email out already. For about that discount, and it will be only for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, because a lot of people, I close the discount on Christmas Day, right? So everybody is like, it's a lot of people asking that, what happened to New Year? So okay, no problem. I'll open it again for 3 more days and see what happens, right? So I think he's gonna send out an email and see if you are interested. All right. So this is it for now. Be ready for oil. It's gonna jump, and we are here already, 70.24. Oops, my charts are getting mixed up. All right. Anyway, so you saw it already. All right. So 70.24 is the level, and it came down as wave B nicely, and then I'm expecting for wave C to the upside. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.